I find this mix from Jonas to be very good. Another thing that I use is I don't know if you can see that, I use these containers. These are from Container Wise. I like using these because I've got big fat fingers and I can push the plants out via this hole. This is a reusable tray. I think they cost about £8, but anyway. And they've got, I don't know if you can see inside, they've got root trainers. So it doesn't become root bound. And once it gets to the bottom and gets to the air, it stops growing. So let's make a start. Oh gosh. Okay, so it's such nice compost this. Put that behind me actually. Sideways. This is very expensive actually. But it's worth every penny because I get a good result. I like to compress it because this mix will be what they start in and what they stay in till the very end of their growing cycle. In 4 weeks I'll transfer them to my allotment plot and I'll show you me doing that too. And you'll see the benefit of these lovely cell trays that I think I bought these 2 years ago and I'm very much taken by them. I think they're great. Okay, that looks good. I need to get a hole poker. Okay, so I use this as my dibber. Also, when you pack the soil in here, when I come to pushing it out, it will push out as a nice little clump of soil. So each of these containers will contain 45 seeds. I know it seems a lot for one person to be eating, but I have a few friends that would like me to grow some for them, so I'm going to be sharing. This will be Andy's row, this is Christine's row, this is Nick's row. Then I'll put some at the allotment and I'll have 2 rows for myself. So today I'm just going to be planting these today. Okay, here goes. Wherever I plant anything, I'll show you me planting it. It's not an exact counting, I'm just roughly sprinkle a few seeds in each little divot. I sprinkle a dusting of this over the top. Now, the nice thing about spring onions is they can germinate in the lights or in the dark. Just fill them down a little bit. Just make sure the seeds touching the soil. And then I'll moist them. Okay, so that's been planted. These will go up here. I wonder if these ones fit this. Yes, they do. Oops, look at that. Sluggy slug slug. That's one for the chicken teat.